In our previous video, we looked at the types computer maintenance, and we did say you are supposed to keep the system running. That is maintained, to keep the system running. That is maintenance. So we were supposed to look at types of computer maintenance. So we have preventive, where we have the regular schedule care tasks are arranged, and then they include dusting, disk cleanup, software updates. Then we have corrective maintenance. Corrective is actually fixing issues after they occur. So you replace faulty items or faulty devices like RAM, or repairing the HDI. Okay. Then we have predictive. Predictive is whereby you anticipate failures in the system before they happen. And then examples of those are monitoring CPU temperatures. You use smart disk checks. Smart disk checks, those are softwares that are normally attached to the computer to be able to tell you the problem. And then we have breakdown. Breakdown is actually the overhaul, where you repair after a total failure. The system has broken down completely, and you replacing like burned power supply if it is completely repairable. So that is basically what we can do. So we have risk if you don't maintain. What are some of the challenges of not maintaining a computer? So we're going to have a risk associated with non-using the computer. So the risk here, we have the risk of computer maintenance. If ignored, the system is going to overheat due to dust buildup. Then the system will become slower from fragmentation storage. And then there is also data loss without backups. If you don't keep data, there is malware infection without antivirus protection, and then there is hardware failure from neglected components. So so maybe you need to practice on a small computer, especially in your area of specialization. So we can look at the importance of computer repair and maintenance. They prevent downtime, improve performance, protect data by ensuring backups and scanning of malware, extends hardware life through cleaning and proper handling. It saves money because they are very expensive. Now, we had looked at the types of maintenance. The main type are the ones that we have just highlighted: preventive, corrective, and then we have predictive. So common issues that are addressed when it comes to maintenance: slow performance or freezing, virus or malware infection, hardware failures, software errors, crashes, and network connectivity problems. So those are the common issues that are associated. Now, we want to look at some of the devices that we are going to use in troubleshooting a computer or computer repair and maintenance. So we have a number of items. You can see we have anti-static wrist wrapper. We have precision screw drivers. That is for we have those ones, the smaller ones for the laptop, and the bigger one. Then we have opening toolkit, Paget and pry tools. We have ISAT tweezers. We have magnetic parts tray. We have the Phillips and flat screwdrivers. We have the multimeter where you measure, then brush, for cleaning. We have plastic sponges. Then we have air duster, or you can use blower if you don't have that one. Then we have anti-static mat where you place um, the motherboard on top of it when you are repairing. Then we had a headlamp. Headlamp is for lighting. Also, as indicated here down, you can see some of the functions here. Like for example, we have the tool examples or essential tools that are normally very important. We have Phillips flat screwdrivers, screws, descriptive, we can say they are standard screwdrivers in multiple sizes. So we have those ones for bigger computers and those ones for smaller computers. Then we have anti-static wrist wrapper. That is actually a wrist wrapper with grounding capabilities. Actually, they discharge the case. They remove excessive charges, so which may damage some of the computer. Then we have tweezers or precision straight. We have precision, those ones that are precision. We have those ones that are straight and angle, those that have angle tips. So you can remove small screws, clips, or connectors. Then we have multimeter. Multimeter where you can use to measure voltage, current, and resistance. We can use to diagnose or find out some of the electrical fault. And then we have compressed air duster. Can be pressured cleaning and like that. Then we have thermal paste, that is also, which is a heat conductor compound that actually it forms as a conductor where help in cooling system. It can, yes, we have magnetic parts tray, small magnetic dish where you keep screws and tiny parts organized. We have spudger and pry tools, plastic metal opening tools, cases with damage. And then we have cable ties, plastic zip ties or Velcro straps. So that one is for organizing cables for airflow and neatness. And then we have headlamp or flash light, the portable light source for illuminating the actually when it is dark, when you open a desktop or a laptop. So we have others that are normally meant for cleaning and maintenance, like brush and cleaning cloth, remove dust from the surface and delicate parts. Then we have isopropyl alcohol. That one is the thermal paste and sticky residues. You can remove some of the old thermal paste. And then we have anti-static mat, provides safe working surface area for the electronics. Okay, safety of this, safety and organization, personal protective equipment. We have fire extinguisher. You need first aid kit. So a well-equipped toolkit ensure that we have a safe, sufficient, and professional computer repair.